Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how to log out of your YouTube Kids on PC and mobile. Now if you're using PC, it's quite simple. To log out is similar to signing out. What you do is click on the profile picture in the top right corner of the YouTube screen and select sign out. That's all it takes. If you're using a mobile device like Android device or iOS device, tap on the profile picture at the bottom right corner of the YouTube page app and then tap switch account. Then tap use YouTube signed out. Simple. Now I need to note something. These instructions I'm giving you are for the regular YouTube app, not specifically YouTube Kids, so it works for both. Now logging out of YouTube on one device will not automatically log you out on other devices. So if you want to sign out of YouTube Kids on all devices, what you do is go to the Google account, visit my account at google.com, then go to security and scroll down to your devices and select the device you want to sign out of and click sign out. This will log you out of YouTube Kids on that specific device. Note, when you sign out of your Google account, to also log you out of YouTube Kids and other Google services on that device. And if you're using a shared device, it is very important to sign out of YouTube Kids to protect your child's privacy. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.